My name is Javier Martin. I am the director of AspenTech Technologies in Europe, and at the same time one of the members of the board of the OSI Europe office in Madrid. Aspen Technologies is a company based in Bedford in the US, and its main focus is software technology. It is software technology for critical assets, not only for the oil and gas sector, but also for the electricity, covering all the sectors: generation, transmission, and distribution. Also for oil and gas, transportation and distribution as well. The software covers three main important areas. It is the design, the optimal operation, and the optimal maintenance of all the assets they have. The main reason is we are an innovative company, and our commitment with the market is to maintain our products updated with the new requirements that the market has. And the only way to do that is for customers to know what we are doing and to influence the roadmap of our products. And the only way to do that is to meet face to face with the market. And these kind of events are the right way to get this information. This is a good question because oil and gas companies, of course, have always been facing carbon as the main driver for their business, and to decarbonize their business, the main way to do that is to increase the efficiency that they are working with, and to enter into other businesses where the carbon is neutral. In this case, it's the renewables energies. And as we have seen in the market, many oil and gas companies have started working in the renewable sector. And this is where we are working now as well, and we are providing value to those companies. Digital technologies are very important because the number of data that companies use when they enter into new businesses as renewables is extremely high. And the only way to provide value with those data is to understand the values and to accurately work with them. And digital twins and digital technologies based on software, it is the best way to do that. We are a company, AspenTech is a company that is based on continuously evolution, continuously innovation. So the company started as a startup in the MIT. So our focus has always been the innovation, and our commitment with the market is to keep our products covering all the requirements companies have today and in the future. So digital technologies and innovation is the real focus of our ADNN. The benefits, the main benefit, as I explained before, it is the only way that we have to provide value to our customers is to understand their requirements. And the way to construct this bridge between requirements and product is to meet face to face with our customers. And we can do that based mainly on these kind of events where you are organizing, by the way, pretty well. So you connect us with our potential customers and real existing customers. And this is the real benefit for them to know us and for us to know their requirements. Customers are every single customer that participate in DECARBON, all of them are potential customer of us, but mainly oil and gas end customers. These are the real partners we would like to work with. This is not the first time that I participate in this event. I have been participating in TOGC and Automa, several events that you organize. And you are doing it pretty well because you take a real point as the main point you organize, and you try to work with is for us to meet face-to-face with customers. And this is one of the biggest benefits we have, the one-to-one meetings you organize.